What is going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Monday, October the 26th, 2020. The time is 9:28 Eastern Standard Time. That means we got 2 more minutes before the market opens. And in front of you, I have two charts. On the left, we have the Nasdaq 100. On the right, we have the S&P 500. They are both on a 5-minute chart. I am trading a live count with one contract, and we are trying to get anywhere from 80 to 100 ticks. So that's anywhere from $400 to $500 a day. So right now, guys, what we're looking at is the market, the overnight session. Market went all the way up here, and now right now it just tanked, just went all the way down here to this resistance. It's been bouncing this area right here, went back up and then came back to this area. So we see here it's been trying to come lower. So what we're gonna wait for is once the market opens, we're gonna see if the following candle goes up, touches this support, and then if it doesn't break this highs, then that means the market is going to continue to go lower. So we'll be looking to sell the market. But if the market opens and the candle goes down to this lows and doesn't break this lows, then we can expect the market to come up to come up. So we'll be looking to buy that retracement. So same thing with the S&P. Market went all the way up, came all the way down here to the support. And it's been bouncing off support resistance right here. So we're expecting the same thing. Once the market opens, see if it breaks that resistance or if it comes back to support. So that's it, guys. Market just opened right now. There we go. So let's see. We're gonna wait to see what he wants to do. And again, I want to see how low this candle goes, if it doesn't break that, or how high it goes, and see if it doesn't break this resistance. Is right there, hitting those highs. This could be an indication that it's just gonna get to that high and now it's gonna continue to go lower, or if it breaks this blue line to the upside, closes above the blue line, then it's indication it's going to continue to go higher, and then we'll take that trade. So again, we're just gonna wait. So I'm gonna do is gonna pause the video, guys, and I'll get you guys back when you're ready to take the trade. You guys, I'm back. Did you guys see that huge wick all the way? And then saw this huge candle. It's like a 200 tick candle. So basically, what this means is the market is continue to go higher, but we don't know how high it's gonna get. I was hoping it would close over here. So now we're gonna have to wait because that candle was just way too big. So again, I know. See if it didn't take that high. Well, what I'm expecting is for this candle to come down to this support, which it already did, and then do a continuation to the upside. But so that this would be in our entry to go up.
Order filled.
Still got 1 more minute. I want to see that candle break higher. If it goes. Alright, so right now we're doing the Get 1 minute. We are at break even. So at this point, it's just a matter of seeing if the market gets this. What I want to see if the next candle pushes all the way up there. But there's still a chance for this candle to come down and get us out. If it does, then we'll just wait for another setup. And hopefully it closes above that support. See if it makes that push. Alright guys, I'm gonna close that trade. 220. I think it's gonna come down. It was gonna get us out, so I got those 220 out of it. The market should continue to go higher. So I'm gonna, the market should continue to go higher, but it's just one of those days, guys, where there it goes. It's one of those days where I missed my entry here, and when I miss it, your mind goes crazy, and then that's when you start revenge trading, and then everything starts messing up. And if your mind is not clear, then might as well just get out. So you saw it that I had it right here. I didn't want it to get me out, so I just took those 220, which is half of what almost half of what we're trying to do. Market still came up, but that's it, guys. That's all I'm gonna do for today. Again, excuse me. I had this, and you can see the replay on the video, but this was my original entry. I didn't take it. I should have taken this. That should have been our $500 trade. Again, we took it on the retracement. Maybe we could have had a better entry than what we were in, so we would have had it maybe at 11:30. See right there, the market is going higher, guys, so it would have gotten us. But that's okay, guys. We're following the rules. It's all that matters. We made money today. It's all that matters. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, comments, drop them below. If you like this video, go ahead and like it. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Look at that, guys. Right there. Money. Alright, guys. See you in the next video.